S Pen. Larger than the S Pen in Note phones, tablets and Chromebooks. Stylus design is flat and has a clip, it won't roll away on you. But there's nowhere to holster it without buying the keyboard. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 transforms in look and potential with the included S Pen and keyboard attachment. They're the must-have accessories to unlock the full potential of this 2-inch-1 tablet. The S Pen is an upgrade from the thin stylus we've been using on Note phones and the Samsung Chromebook Pro. At 9.4mm thick, it's bigger and easier to hold, and makes the previous S Pen look like a toothpick by comparison. It still has a fine 0.7mm tip, this time made of rubber instead of plastic, and a clickable side button for bringing up the familiar Air Command tools. All the usual S Pen tools are here, including Notes, Smart Select, Create cropped or lassoed screenshots and GIFs, and Screen Write, write directly on a screenshot. There are also 3 newer functions that can be added to the fanned-out shortcut list: Translate, Magnify, Zoom in, and Glance, Dock and quickly view an app. Handwriting and drawing are naturally better on a tablet using a thicker S Pen, too. It's around the same width as the Apple Pencil, but shorter and boasts 4 times as many pressure levels. It really captures every angle, which can be great for shading, depending on the app you're using. Samsung includes 2 apps, Notes and the coloring book like Pen.up, and there are more in the Google Play Store. The S Pen doesn't slot inside the thin tablet, so you can't seamlessly hide the thicker stylus when it's not in use. Instead, Samsung has added an pen holder loop for the keyboard, if you buy the keyboard. The good news is that the S Pen doesn't need to be charged, and doesn't roll away constantly, as it has 2 flatter sides and a clip. The Apple Pencil likes to roll off tables because there's nowhere to put it and, if frequently used, is always at risk of being out of juice.